In 2022, one cryptocurrency crashed 97%, from $260 all the way down to $8. Most people said it was finished, dead, over. But by January 2025, that same coin had come all the way back, hitting $293. That's a 3,500% recovery. That coin was Solana. And today, we're going to explain exactly what it is, why it crashed, why it came back, and whether it's worth your attention in 2026. Let's start from the beginning. Solana is a blockchain, a decentralized network that records transactions. Think of it like a public spreadsheet that nobody owns, but everybody can see. It was launched in 2020. The co-founder and CEO is Anatoly Yakovenko, an engineer who previously spent nearly 13 years at Qualcomm, the technology company, before going on to build one of the most important blockchains in the world. Bitcoin was the first blockchain. Ethereum was the second big one. But both have a problem. They're slow and expensive when lots of people are using the network. Bitcoin processes around 3 to 7 transactions per second. Ethereum manages around 15 to 30. Solana was built to fix that. Here's the key difference. Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second in benchmark testing. And the cost? A Solana transaction costs a fraction of a penny. On Ethereum, during busy periods, you might pay 10, 20, even 50 euros in fees for a single transaction. Solana uses a technology called proof of history, a unique way of time-stamping transactions so the network can process them at incredible speed. Think of it like this. Ethereum asks the whole class to vote before making a decision. Solana has already logged the time, so it knows the order and can move on immediately. The Solana Foundation, which supports the network, is based in Zug, Switzerland. Solana isn't just a currency, it's a platform for building apps, decentralized finance, digital collectibles, games, and more. In February 2026, Solana processed $650 billion in stablecoin volume in a single month, surpassing both Ethereum and Tron. In 2025, it ranked second only to Ethereum for new developer activity, with over 11,500 new developers joining its ecosystem. Now let's talk about the crash. In 2022, FTX, one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world, collapsed in one of the largest financial frauds in history. FTX and its sister company, Alameda Research, had invested heavily in Solana. When they collapsed, they sold massive amounts of SOL to raise cash. The price fell from $260 to $8. Many people wrote off Solana completely. They were wrong. Solana rebuilt, the network improved, outages were resolved. By January 2025, Solana hit its all-time high of $293. Spot Solana ETFs launched in late 2025, with institutions like Fidelity and Bitwise now offering Solana products. Over $1.5 billion flowed into Solana ETFs in their first months. As of March 2026, SOL trades at around $85, with a market cap of approximately $49 billion, making it one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. Now, I have to be clear, this is not financial advice, but here's what the data shows. Solana has proven it can survive a catastrophic crash. It has real usage, real developers, and real institutional money behind it. The risks? It's still volatile, and there are competitors trying to solve the same problems. If you want to learn how to invest safely in crypto, check our other videos. Links in the description. So that's Solana, the blockchain that was left for dead and came back stronger. Subscribe for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you in the next one.